Welcome, health enthusiast. Discover the incredible benefits of coconut oil and join the revolution of natural wellness and beauty. Derived from the versatile coconut palm, this superstar ingredient has transformed health and beauty routines worldwide. Today we unveil the top 10 hidden health secrets of coconut oil, each showcasing the brilliance of nature. But let's address the essential question first. Is coconut oil right for you? Stay tuned until the end as we uncover any potential risks associated with this miracle oil. Let's begin. Hydrate and nourish your skin naturally. Dive into the world of natural skincare with coconut oil. Packed with medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid, it effortlessly replenishes your skin's moisture, leaving it soft and supple. Wave goodbye to dry skin, especially after frequent use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Revitalize your hair with coconut oil. Protect your locks from damage and breakage with coconut oil's unique molecular structure. Its penetrating power nourishes your hair from within, strengthening it against environmental stressors and preserving its natural shine. Say goodbye to chapped lips. Let coconut oil rescue your lips from dryness and discomfort. Its rich emollient properties provide a protective barrier, keeping your lips soft and smooth, especially during harsh weather conditions. Turn back the clock with anti-aging facial treatments. Combat premature aging with the antioxidant prowess of coconut oil. Its vitamin E content fights off free radicals, promoting youthful, radiant skin and accelerating wound healing, while fading acne scars. Effortlessly remove makeup naturally. Bid farewell to stubborn makeup with coconut oil's gentle cleansing action. Its saturated fats dissolve makeup without stripping your skin's natural oils, keeping breakouts at bay. Nourish your nails and cuticles. Pamper your nails with the deep moisturization of coconut oil. Its antimicrobial properties protect against infections, ensuring healthy, strong nails and cuticles. Soothe skin conditions with coconut oil. Relieve dryness and inflammation with coconut oil's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Say goodbye to itchiness and redness, especially with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Boost your oral health naturally. Experience the cleansing power of coconut oil. Through oil pulling, bid farewell to the bacteria responsible for tooth decay and bad breath, promoting healthier gums and teeth. Improve digestive health with coconut oil. Harness the antibacterial benefits of coconut oil to regulate your gut microbiome and enhance nutrient absorption, promoting overall digestive wellness. Experience a natural shaving cream alternative. Treat your skin to a smooth, irritation-free shave with coconut oil's moisturizing properties. Ready to embrace the coconut oil revolution? Let us know in the comments below. Welcome to a world of natural wellness and beauty.